Hey, well, I'm going to get started in here. So I created these campaigns over here. They are in a draft account that I have. It's in Mexican pesos, but we'll migrate it, and it's going to be in the currency that you have, US dollar, in your account. So to create these ones, I go in here and click into Add Campaign and create just one, the roofing campaign. Then I'll select campaign type. It's going to be search. Include search parents. It's going to be disabled. And include display network is going to be disabled too. I recommend to use ad rotation as do not optimize to have evenly distribution of our ads. Otherwise, with optimize, for example, Google is going to show to give priority to the ad which is showing better results. If we use even rotation, we can find out by ourselves which ad copy is delivering better results, and I recommend this at the very beginning. So delivery method is going to be accelerated. This means that if we have $100, Google will spend that budget as soon as possible. If we use standard, which is evenly over time, what they are going to do is to distribute the budget along the day. Once I have those configuration settings ready, I'm going to create an ad group inside of it, which is going to be only the general one. The roofing, you can ignore it. It's going to be the general roofing campaign with one ad group. Okay. Then you go in here and use your keyboard and with Control Copy or right click and copy. Then you can paste it. You see? So instead of creating a new campaign again, you just copy paste it. We don't have any keywords in there yet. You do that, and then I did that and copy pasted it 7 times and got one campaign for each. Those are the ones that you mentioned over here. So yeah, that's what we do. After that, we need to generate the list of keywords that we are going to use in each. To do that, we need to go into the keyword planner, which is over here. Find new keywords, for example, roofing companies. Here we are going to have the list of keywords. I do recommend using, for example, roofing company Los Angeles, roofing contractors, etc., and avoid stuff like roofing Los Angeles seems a little general to me, but you can use it, I guess. This is you need to evaluate each keyword, but in my opinion, this two word keywords are not that good. I recommend something like this. Normally, people looking for these keywords is way more intended to buy. Roof replacement cost will be another example. You just select them, select whatever you're going to use, and here create a new ad group and call it roofing. Okay, then we'll add keywords to it. See, and then we're going to do the same stuff for each one of those niches that we have over here. After that, we are going to go to ad groups. No, we are going to go to keywords and download these keywords. You can also create a campaign or download it on download the keywords and just use them in here. I recommend download them, but if you create a campaign, what this is going to do is, well, create a campaign based on the ad groups that you assign it with the keywords that you selected. When you create a campaign, you can come in here in AdWords Editor. The magic of AdWords Editor is that it works offline in your desktop. So I will revise if we are recording yet. Is that it works offline. So if you edit something in the web interface, then you can come here and get recent changes and sync your AdWords editor with what we have in the web interface more recently. Okay, and here I already have some campaigns. I already did the process that I explained in here, like selecting the keywords for each of those niches, then assigning them ad groups, etc. So we have in here roofing, for example. If we go to roofing, we have some keywords. If we go to solar panels, we have more keywords, etc. So what I need to explain right now is these plus signs. We have different broad match types for keywords. We can see it right here. Broad, phrase, and exact. Broad means that we are going to give Google some liberty. For example, if we have a shoe store and we sell only sports shoes, and we use the word sports shoes for men, maybe Google will advertise or product in stuff like, I don't know, shoes for a tuxedo, etc. Because we have the word shoes and it's some way similar, some way relevant. So Google is sometimes going to take the liberty to trigger our ad with irrelevant searches. So I don't really recommend this. The other one is phrase. With phrase, Google will take some liberty instead. Google will still take some liberty, but the phrase that we have as keyword must be in that order in the query that the user is searching for in Google. For example, if we are using roofing companies, our ad may trigger in roofing companies in Los Angeles, cheap roofing companies near me, roofing companies with nice materials, whatever, but it must include roofing companies in that order. If someone looks for cheap companies roofing, it's not going to appear, as it's not in the same order. If we use exact, as it is, the user must use the exact keyword that we have in here. For example, roofing companies, it is just for roofing companies, not roofing companies in Los Angeles, not cheap roofing companies, etc., etc. And if we use broad and a plus sign, this is called a broad match modifier. What it tells is that, okay, Google is going to still show our ad with variations. They will take a liberty to change or keyword, if you want to call it like that, and adapt it to what the user is searching for. But the search term that the user is searching for in Google must include affordable and roofing. Affordable roofing in Los Angeles roofing affordable, affordable roofing with nice materials, roofing affordable company roofing, etc., etc., whatever, but it must include these two. Yep. So another interesting trick in here is, for example, right now I'm going to edit them manually, well, a lot of them, and add the plus sign by hand, if you want to call it like that. But a cool tool that Google AdWords Editor uses is replace text, and a trick is to find text, space, and replace with space plus, and bada boom, we have like the plus sign in a lot of words. We still need to edit the first one, but it's a lot of work saved with just that. I normally do it manually if I have around 100 or 200 keywords, but this can save you a lot of time if you have a lot of keywords, you know. And yeah, that's how you do it. Right now, I'm going to finish adding those plus signs, and as soon as I am done, I can post it. All campaigns, I just post it, and whatever changes that I did in AdWords Editor are going to appear now in the web interface too. So that's how you do it. This is the first video. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, just ask me out and I will be glad to help.